Yeah, there's a rude rock in the spot.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It was like right here.
You have to move the whole thing. So, you know, guys,
No, just pick up the tent.
Yeah, guys, we have to move. No, guys, I can get out.
Cliff. Keep doing on purpose.
Huh? Look at Jordan.
Hey yo! Hey yo!
Nah, the cameras are on.
Oh shit!
Fuck that. Wait, you didn't see at the front. Wait, who set up on top of it? Nah, there's some clean setups over here. Hit the Dougie real quick.
Oh, bean. You getting nice?
I feel like I'll be nice at that. Yeah. Cap.
Moneyline.
Moneyline African. Moneyline yard, man. I about to get a clip, huh? No, we never talked to chat.
So it usually goes. It was on screen yesterday.
Okay, this is a 30 best campsite right here.
You got that on right now?
Camp setup.
How many gigs you got?
40.
Damn. You should get that. How much you pay a month? I was gonna get 50. But then I was gonna get 50 and pay the same price.
Wait, what'd you
My
say?
mom didn't want to switch.
Okay. Yeah, I was waiting for you to say
Rogers.
it.
I would have got 5G plus.
Oh, you
My
just did it.
No, she didn't
Boy,
want
but a
because that's like
shower?
paying 2 bills. Like she'd rather just pay the one instead of like paying on this account and then logging into mine and then paying that.
Yeah. I'm under the two things.
I was gonna tell her, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like actually like I'll give you bread every no, not even. I was gonna say like I'll pay you every month or some shit. She's like, nah.
And then there's our side. Wait, what?
Okay, this is.
And they got. We should have been here.
Nah, oh! Let me run back. Should I run back? Bro.
Run back. You got it, Terry.
That's what I'm.
Good job.
Yo, the football would have been nice.
Yo, this is nice.
You're freaking dad. Bro, the football, y'all. Come on. Okay, pre-aims. Oh, they're whispering. Oh, they're whispering. Oh, they're whispering. Keep breathing. No, I just spotted.
Bro, just started.
Okay, what? I'm just saying. I say.
Like that. Take it easy.
Let's see how cold it is. Look at bro down there though.
Where?
Fam, down there. Fucking none of us.
See him on here. Yeah, I'm not swimming.
Yeah, let's pretend to pick up Romeo, no? And pick up
Okay,
Romeo.
yeah. Pretend to pick up Romeo.
You
Get
know
him, get him down here and then pretend to pick him up.
No, just pick him up right
Okay,
there.
okay,
Right
do
there.
it, do
He's
it.
not gonna trust that. From down
Do
there.
it.
Let's go. Yeah. So what do you think?
Hello, Ethan.
You get $30 to put your head under the water.
$30?
$30.
Yo!
How did you
More.
Oh, word?
That man's a joking out for those.
Like, yeah, until you got to there, and they're like, oh shit, I see this.
I let him roll you though.
You're not having a beach day today? Fucking ugly. No, you don't like brown Lake Ontario's water.
You're gonna have to stand up.
Yeah, 100%.
Remember what Mom said, but I'm sorry.
Yeah, I will call her right now.
Oh no, she said no backflips.
Literally? Fuck, would I hit my leg off this?
You murked both your thumbs. Wait. Let me get a bit too. All men get a bit.
I'll probably do it here. This is kind of like...
That shit's like carnival. Stumble.
Yeah. I Thrive Nation. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got to. That was light.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Keep doing it. Okay, I'm next. Okay, you're next.
Oh, you're short, Mom.
Caught you.
Hey, nah.
Caught you. Caught you.
Explain yourself. Got you.
I'm feeling good. My hands are healed. I
Boy,
acted.
FaceTime.
Jesus is calling my name.
No. No. I had to snitch.
Yo.
FaceTime is crazy.
You have to scold him when he gets home. That's
It was on the
crazy.
ground. This is different. I had more height advantage. But yeah, backflips in general. But I had to for.
Got you.
You saved it?
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'll snitch
I'm
every
pretty
time
sure.
he does that.
Guys are pretty sure. Yo, he's this guy's stressed out, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, you did still.
Lucky. Snitching. Yeah.
Bro, that was quick. That's dope. That's a dub. That's a dub. But that was quick though. Ref was actually super light still.
Got it
You see
fast.
that they're like three. I thought I'd hit my thing off there, but I wouldn't look at that.
We're tired.
Don't make it rough. I'll do it too.
Oh, you're gonna tell
Oh!
my mom?
Yeah.
Like,
Everyone's mom.
I fucking let me. Looking ass. Yeah, I wonder if Lake Ontario is good to swim in, man. Let me know, W or L. Like comparing that to Mexico or Cuba.
W.
Yeah? I'm like at the shoreline, I can't even see my feet. Like,
And
fall in and get a year's worth of sewage.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it doing, cowboy?
Oh, you know, it's going very well. We just hear about the fish, setting up our bait, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, just waiting on our boat. Our boat should be sailing over here in about 10 to 15 minutes. So we just gotta play some rock games in the meantime. And yeah, we sail along.
Alright. Reads.
You all drop.
Like that.
What, furthest?
There's no way, man, they're throwing like this.
Yeah, this is a USDF javelin throw. Red zone.
Like, what's the 2K release?
Okay. You're good. You're good.
That's like out of nowhere. Okay, here we go. Look at Dick Barnett.
Okay, no, wait, what the?
Eric Bledsoe.
How long this guy remembers?
Yo, which one had the Uzi one? Where the fucking...
What? Oh, yeah.
I know one. Three, 2, 1. Oh, that's me. Nah, that's me. Nigga, come on. That's me. What?
Fam, that's me. That's me.
Russ, Judge, I got lost. I don't know. Everyone kept turning. I don't know.
I quit.
It was
I quit.
no, because there's two on this side.
But you saw
I quit. Niggas is cheating. I
He
quit.
saw my bounce after yours too. I didn't look at the left. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what happened on the left.
Who's on the right? All right, me.
It's him. Bruh, say the truth. Say the truth.
That is the truth.
Say the truth, bro.
It went two at first, one in the middle shorter, and then one shorter.
Say the truth.
You said the truth.
No, say the real truth. Raph, I want you to say the truth.
I won
Bro, how you put that on something?
on Sway.
Wow, on sway. 3. Racers, start your engines. 2, 1, go.
Oh shit!
Woo!
Yo!
Bam! Bam!
What the fuck happened?
It slipped.
Your contract's expired, Chicago Bulls.
Got your app. Right there. Oh, bro.
No, yours went farther.
Yeah,
He just picked it back up.
Fam, how do you retrieve your rock?
No way. Think I need to go up a size.
You're at Romeo right now. You need to.
Alright, so meal size.
Nah. Put that shit down.
These should be good.
Alright, let's go.
There's a case card.
Yo, for the fire, the big wood.
Yeah.
Sure could take off that. Cook the weenies on it.
Okay.
Right, you trying to get hit in the face? Back up. Alright. I'll get it.
Yo, hurry up.
Yeah. Ready? Or 3, 2, 1, go.
That was me. Bro, at this point you're just kidding. Dude, what are you doing?
What are you doing there?
I fucked up the timing. I went on one.
Niggas is cheating, bro. Niggas is cheating, right? Niggas is what?
Huh?
Cheating.
No way they're cheating.
Niggas is what?
No way they're cheating.
But this guy lost like 4 times.
I quit.
Only 12's at the beach.
Now you're good. You're good. I'll follow through.
Take it.
With my left?
Yeah.
I back up.
Play the danger zone.
Okay. Now with. Now with.
Yeah, let me see your right. Let me see your right hand. Sorry, stream. That'd be the end of the. Oh, was that right?
I thought that was pretty good.
Pretty great.
Yo, pre-Babe Ruth. and full.
Ding, ding, ding. Live life.
Breathe there.
I know some power.
We're gonna get there.
I'll say here Ryan.
Yo.
Baby. I know.
Wait, no.
I'm telling you how I feel. So
I can say sting. I swear that it's good. There's no chance unless we take her. You want it, it doesn't matter.
I'm telling you how I feel. So